Hey guys, Lozza again from Crashpad, and this afternoon we're going to be showing you a few little handy tips on how to install your Crashpad wheel bag. This particular one is the Stealth. It's the same installation system as the Phantom and as the Boss, so it doesn't matter which bag you've got at home. This scenario, we've got a wheel that's hard up against the canopy. Everyone's got a different setup at home, so this may or may not suit you, but this is the best use for us. We've already loosened off these wheel nuts. I didn't want to bore you with that part of the process, but basically loosen them as much as you can while still being threaded in. We're going to bring the wheel forward, grab our wheel bag and our two clips that are going over the back. We really want to make sure they fall down the back of the wheel. Bit of shuffling around here. All right, we're in place. One tip, pull your straps out within, let's say 100 mil. You just want to have enough to grab onto here behind the wheel. And then find yourself a better place to do this operation from if you're short enough. We're going to wedge the wheel out on a certain angle so we can get in behind. Get that clip done up and get it nice and tight. This side's going to be easier, but we just repeat the process. Wedge it off in the other direction. Bring this strap under. Get your clip. Same again. Our wheel bag's on nice and tight now. What we're going to do, set our wheel back in. It can be a little bit awkward. It's something that you've just got to fiddle around with a little bit, but get your fingers inside, get everything up nice and tight as you can, and then get your socket set in and continue the process. Look, I'm not going to bore you guys with me tightening this wheel the whole way back up, but that's how we do it, and I hope this helps you at home. Cheers.